Hello guys, welcome to back to our channel. Today we are going to unlock iPhone 14 on the latest ISO 26.5.2 and ISO 26.6. So first of all, you need to have an unlocking file. If you are interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number. We are available on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you don't have WhatsApp and Telegram, then you can email us on our email address. After buying the unlocking file, just you need to import the unlocking file to the 3U tool. 3U tool is a free tool for flashing, and just import the unlocking file, click on flash mode and select clear mode and start flashing. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes depend on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked. Our service is permanent and 100% working, and lot of people are buying. Just you need to buy the unlocking file and unlock your phone. Also, this method is working with iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. Also, this method is supported with iPhone latest iPhone model 17 Pro Max. You can also use SIM card, call data, everything work fine. Also, you can update or reset your phone. Just you need to buy the unlock. If you're interested in our service, you can WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number. Congratulations, device activation successful. So our phone is turned on. Our phone will be turned on in just seconds, and you can see our phone is turned on. And now you have to swipe up and follow this step. Also, your phone will be blink one or two time in settings. So don't worry. For the first time, your phone will be little bit laggy, and it's also blinking 2-3 times. So don't worry. Select country, continue with partial setup, and voila, your iPhone is unlocked. You can check setting. You have to swipe up and check setting. You can see there is no iCloud account or any other old iCloud account. You have to enter the new iCloud account here, and you can see it's on the latest ISO 26.5.2 and also working for ISO 26.6. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.